If you're working within your Vectric software and you want to weld vectors together and keep the overlapping section, you first must have two overlapping vectors, and they must be selected, and they must be closed vectors. If you have nothing within your workspace, no vectors, and if you click on the icon to keep the overlapping areas, you'll get this message: invalid vector selection. Thanks for watching. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos. And if you have any questions or comments, you can contact us at mm@mezalick.com. Enjoy!